She sat on the floor of her kitchen, tea spilled everywhere, laundry was piled up, and the child was crying in the other room. She whispered to herself, I don't think I can do it anymore. I've tried enough, but nothing is working. Maybe you have had that kind of a moment in your life too, where life just closes in on you and you say there's no solution. But what if that's not true? When you are inside the problem, it feels endless. But from a higher place, new path begins to appear. It's not that there's no solution, okay? It's just that your current lens can't see it yet. Life is never without options, okay? But sometimes our emotions dim the light. The moment we shift from there's no way to there must be a way that I haven't seen yet, something opens inside us. Even Arjuna, a thinker, a seeker, and a warrior collapsed on the battlefield. He looks around and said, there's no right action. Everything leads to pain. But Krishna didn't solve it for him. He didn't give him a plan. He just gave a shift in perspective. Act not from fear, but from truth. Detach yourself from the result and rise in purpose. And slowly, clarity returned. Because sometimes the solution is not a new step, it's a new way of seeing what's already in front of you. One of the women I worked with said to me, I feel trapped. I have lost myself in this family, in these responsibilities. I have no time, no support, and no space. She kept waiting for her husband to change, for her kids to become less demanding, for her house to become more peaceful. She thought they were the problem, but when we worked together, something emerged. She was not using her voice. She buried her needs so deep, even she had forgotten them. When she started saying no without guilt, asking for help without shame, and writing 5 lines every morning just to reconnect with herself, that no solution turned into new beginnings. And honestly, when someone feels stuck, really stuck, you can feel it in their handwriting. There's a kind of heaviness. Letters are almost like silently whispering, I don't know what else to do. But when they sit with the pen, gently writing with intention and allowing their heart to read, something changes. Not in the paper, but in them. And that's when hope returns and clarity follows. Today, I want to invite you to quietly sit and ask, where in my life have I convinced myself that there is no solution? Where in my life have I convinced myself that there is no solution? And what if that belief is the only thing holding me back? You don't need to fix it today. Just soften and open a little space for life to show you a new path. Because the way forward always exists. Sometimes hidden behind your doubt and sometimes written between the lines of your own story. If this message landed gently in your heart, comment below, I choose to believe that there's a way. And if you have been feeling emotionally stuck and want to know what your handwriting is saying about your inner state, comment hope in the comment section or message me privately. Because your healing starts not with more efforts but a quiet willingness to see differently. Until next time, keep softening, keep listening and keep rising. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.